In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on battery optimization in Authenticator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reduce Authenticator's background activity on your iPhone so it uses less power throughout the day. In this context, battery optimization means preventing the app from refreshing in the background. That helps conserve battery and can also cut down on background data usage while still letting you open the app and get your codes whenever you need them. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Settings app. This is the place where you control how your phone and your apps behave. Make sure you're in the main settings screen before moving on, as that's where you'll find what you need. Next, scroll down and tap Apps. On many devices, you'll see an Apps section that groups all installed apps. If your settings layout shows a long alphabetical list of apps instead, that's fine. Keep scrolling until you find the app you're looking for. The goal here is simply to get to the individual app's settings page so you can adjust what it's allowed to do in the background. Now look for Authenticator. You'll recognize it by the blue padlock icon with a human silhouette inside it. Tap it to open its dedicated settings page. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top of the settings screen to type Authenticator and jump straight to it. Double check that you've selected the correct app before making changes. On the Authenticator settings page, find the option labeled Background App Refresh and toggle it off. When the switch is off, it should appear grayed out rather than green. Turning this off prevents Authenticator from running tasks and using data when you're not actively using the app, which is the key to optimizing battery life for this specific app. A quick note on what to expect. With background app refresh off, Authenticator won't update or check for anything until you open it. For most Authenticator apps, your time-based codes will still generate instantly on demand because they are created on your device. However, if the app supports push notifications or quick approve prompts, those may not appear until you launch the app. If you ever notice delays you don't want, you can come back to the same screen and turn background app refresh back on. That's it, you've optimized Authenticator for better battery life. Open Settings, tap Apps, choose Authenticator, and turn off Background App Refresh. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your iPhone running longer between charges.